In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a meeting with a note in Google Calendar. Canceling a meeting is a simple task, but ensuring you communicate effectively with the invitees is equally important. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can manage your schedule with ease. First, start by navigating to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Google Calendar in the search bar, then pressing Enter. Look for the first result. It should be a direct link to Google Calendar. Click on that link to proceed. Once the Google Calendar page has loaded, you'll be prompted to sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Enter your email address associated with your Google account. After typing in your email, click on the Next button to proceed. You'll then be asked to provide your password. Carefully type in your password and press Next once more to gain access to your calendar. With your calendar open, look for the meeting that you want to cancel. You can do this by scrolling through your calendar or using the search function at the top of the page to locate the specific event. Once you've found the meeting, click on it to pull up the event details. Now within the event details, you should see an option to delete the meeting. This is usually represented by a trash bin or delete icon. Click on this icon to initiate the cancellation process. After clicking on the delete icon, a confirmation pop-up will usually appear. This pop-up is asking if you're sure you want to delete the meeting and if you'd like to send a notification to the other participants. This is where you can add a personal note explaining the reason for the cancellation. It's always courteous to explain why a meeting is being canceled, as it shows consideration and professionalism. In the note, you could simply apologize for the inconvenience and, if possible, suggest an alternative time or follow-up method. Once you've typed your message, look for the Send button. Clicking this button will send your note along with the cancellation notification to all the invitees. This step ensures that everyone is on the same page and acknowledges your commitment to maintaining clear communication. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your meeting with a note in Google Calendar. This method not only helps keep your calendar organized, but also maintains goodwill with your colleagues or clients. Thanks for watching. Feel free to revisit this video if you need a refresher anytime.